What if you could access the complete Sunex online lens database with just a few clicks? The Sunex MCP server is here to support your workflow, making lens selection faster and more efficient than ever before. Installing the MCP server is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Our online guide will have you running in no time, no matter which AI client you prefer. Explore a range of lenses with ease. Just type in your question and lean back. You can always ask clarifying questions and drill down further. The selection tools are designed to simplify your decision-making process, saving you time and effort. The MCP server will connect directly to our online lens database, providing you with hundreds of lens options and a large sensor database. Calculations such as the field of view are performed by our proven online optics wizards. This means the results are not estimations, but calculated based on specific sensor formats and the unique lens distortion profile. Initial results can be further narrowed by requesting a specific F number, thread size such as M12, filter options, or sample pricing. Want to have the same lenses paired with a different sensor? No problem. Don't overthink it. Just get started. We recommend using the Sunex MCP server as a guide and pre-selection tool to familiarize yourself with the available options. The next step should always be to contact us directly and let us help you make your project a success.